the time will come, the wave will break. And now the wave will break, it will splash as a tsunami on the land. Tsunami warning were issued in many countries, Russia, USA. So what is tsunami and how these waves are created? Due to the wind. Wind की movement से wave एक चल रहा है. It's a long process, it's going, continuously going. Now, due to the movement inside, now there's a, either uplift or downward movement. Now the water will go down or either it can go up. So there will be change in wave. So now what will happen? There will be a lot of wave that will be created. A long wave. बहुत लंबे wave आपके create होंगे due to the internal movement that has gone down. Now what will happen? These waves are traveling in the deep ocean. It's yet not identifiable. Why? Because these are very long. Although these are fast, but long. तो कोई फर्क नहीं पता चलता है. A lot of energy is generated. बहुत सारा wave generate हो गया. Now these waves are approaching the shore. There is a shore, right? So once this will strike it, so what will happen? The wavelength will start getting shorter because now there is no more area to go. तो क्या होगा? ये जो wavelength ऊपर से आ रहा था, so wavelength will start getting shorter. Now the wavelength will getting shorter. What will happen? Wave will increase. So यहाँ पे आने के साथ ही the height will go like this. Why? Because the entire energy of this long wave is striking towards the shore and it is getting squeezed and the height are becoming more and more. The time will come, the wave will break. And now the wave will break, it will splash as a tsunami on the land. Just take example of a tray full of water, a glass of water, like 4-5 glass of water है, and just push it towards the wall. What will happen? Splash करेगा, ऊपर उठेगा and splash हो जाएगा. Just like that, the tsunami is happening.